some attention to the stock market.
Gotta get your bread up.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. Norway, the stock explorer from Florida. Let go. Stop. Get that money. Get that money. Get that money. Get that money. Stop. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Get that money. Hey. Stocking that crypto. Imagine me all on my tiptoe. That money got me on a big road. If I want it, I get a big boat. I get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Woo. Get that money. Yeah. Get that money. Stop. Yeah, stop. Get that money. Stocking that crypto. Get that money. Stocking that crypto. Get that money. Stocking that crypto. Get that money. Yeah. Stop. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Green Day, baby, let's go. Get that money, yeah. Get that money, yo. Get that money. It's Nora, the Stock Explorer, guys. On a Tuesday, we're going to talk about the stock market. It's a green day, guys. It was an amazing day. Let's go. Let's do it up. Guys, here's my real Robinhood Portfolio, guys. For show. 100% transparency, guys. That's how I do it. Guys, we are gonna talk about those stocks today that just killed it. If you got scared and pulled your money out of the market, you missed out on a big day today, guys, a big day. We got Katie from Poppin' the Popcorn. We got Big Movie Fan 18 plus. What's up, stock? I'm doing good. Guys, you can see right here, I'm up $603 on the day. This is my Robinhood. It's my trading account, guys. Not a huge account, but it is what I use to trade with. I'm trying to get it over 10K. And today really did me a nice little solid move up about $600 on the day. I can't complain about that at all. It's right here. That's what I love about Robinhood. You can see exactly how you did on the day, and I'm showing you guys just so that you can see it with your own eyes. Guys, welcome in. Dixie Cuddles Fitness in the house. Dixie Cuddles is on her road to 1K. Would love to see her get there. If you're not already connected, check her out. And please tell her that Nora sent you. She said, hey, Stock Explorer and everybody. Guys, this isn't StreamYard. Okay, so I can't bring anybody up, but I wanted to show you guys some stocks that I'm looking at. Check out Airbnb. Let's show off Airbnb. ABNB. Guys, I'm not in this stock, but they smashed earnings. They did amazing. They just had an earnings call after market, and they killed their numbers, looking amazing. It was up 6.14 on the day. Now, everybody knows what Airbnb is, right? Instead of going to a hotel, you go to the Airbnb. After hours, when the good news came out, it's up another 3.99, almost 4%. Guys, that's up almost 10% on a day. This is just a perfect example. If you have a stock that you really like, and I always thought this was a solid stock pick, guys, because it's just such a nice little getaway when you go to an Airbnb, right? It's a more personalized touch for you and your family. They're crushing it. More people are interested in becoming hosts, and they were doing the earnings call right from an Airbnb, which was pretty cool. I was listening to Invest for Tomorrow with Kay. He was playing the live earnings call, and of course they smashed it. So congrats to anybody that had Airbnb. As you can see, after hours, right when they released the earnings, they were great, and it popped up. And I like Robinhood because you can get all these little tidbits of information as you scroll down. You can see who the CEO is. You can see how many employees they have. You can see where the company is headquartered out of, what year they were founded, what the market cap is, all the little nerdy details that us stock market nerds love. Welcome in Leroy from 40 and Broke. Hey, we got TSM the rapper. Yeah. You like that, TSM? TSM did an amazing job doing my intro, so I like to share that when I first come on. And guys, before I forget, I have Nate Palmatier. He's working on my intro. He's going to make it even better. The video will be better, and you will see a new and improved intro. Nate is my friend from up in Canada. He has an amazing finance channel. Look him up. Nate Palmatier. Guys, he is a father of 10, and he has his own farm up there in Canada. He's doing it all. Financing, raising a huge family, budgeting, and investing. Great channel to connect with. So please check out Nate Palmatier. Big shout out. And when I show you my new intro, you will see how he did. He's an awesome video editor as well. I'm going to bring up another one that was a call out over the weekend, guys. If you join me on my stock market live chats, which are a lot of fun, and thank you everybody that has joined me on those, I give a couple stocks for your watch list. And of course, as I always say, I don't tell people what to buy, but I tell you ones that I'm really feeling confident about and ones that you may want to put on the watch list. And I even did a short video about DraftKings. You saw they had that cool Super Bowl commercial. If you guys watch the Super Bowl, it's one of the first commercials they put on was for DraftKings. The girl was like jumping all around and stuff. They're doing great, guys. They're only in a few states right now. When DraftKings gets opened up to more states across the country, I mean, I'm talking very few. There's only like 5 states that you can use DraftKings in, one of which is PA, which is where I'm from. When it comes down to Florida and all these other states across the country and everybody can use DraftKings, guys, this is going to be a beast of a stock to have. I called it out at $20, around $20.70 a share. She's up to 23.64. Easy trade right here. Call out successful trade that you could have taken. It's just simple as that. Buy low and sell high. Hey, Shy TV, what's going on, Shy TV? Thank you so much. Let's go. I know, right? What a day, guys. You know, you see a lot of the talking heads on YouTube saying, I'm selling it all, I'm cashing out. Guys, you would have missed out on this amazing day. Fantastic. This is just a taste of what is to come, guys. Please don't get discouraged. I was just talking to Rasta Stocks last night, and please connect with him as well. Rasta Stocks, all one word. Please, let's help him get his channel to 1,000 subs, guys. And we were chatting about it. He's not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not getting shaken out. It's a big shakeout. They're trying to shake out all the retail investors. Big money wants to shake them all out, get you nervous, get you scared, make you sell your stocks. And then what do? They swoop in and they buy everything up on the cheap. I'm not selling all my stocks. So yeah, thanks for sticking with me, Dixie. Appreciate you. So yeah, guys, another one that I talked about, and I know you guys know that I called this out. I said, I can't believe it's at this price. Is space. I call it space, but it's Virgin Galactic, guys. I'm pumped up today. Can you tell? Also, guys, before I get too much further, I passed my last test in the course that I'm taking. And I'm graduating tomorrow. I'm very, very thankful. Shout out to all my classmates that have helped each other along the way. Much love to everybody. Matter of fact, my classmate Nate made this hat. I bought this from him. Big shout out to my classmates. You guys did an amazing job. We all helped each other get through. So I am really stoked to be finished Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. And I graduate tomorrow, guys. All I have to do is go in and get my certificates, and I'm good. And then I can get back to doing this, which I love, and we can have more live streams now, guys. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. It was a good day for me. Thank you, Dixie. I appreciate that. So Virgin Galactic. Holy smokers, guys. Virgin Galactic. You know, I was talking about this weekend. Sir Richard Branson, CEO, right? Guys, this was a massive move today. Massive, massive. Up 31% on the day. Look at this. 31% on the day, guys. And after hours, it went up another 2.98%. So I had to research it. Hey, what's up? What's up, asshole grower? Thank you, thank you, thank you, my friend. Much love, much love. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate the congratulations. Thank you, thank you. Big shout out to everybody that's been encouraging me. You know, a lot of early mornings, getting up at 5 in the morning. You know, getting my tail out the door in these last couple of days. It's been, it's been cold out. It's hard to get up and get out of there, but we're doing it. So yeah, they announced that they are beginning to sell tickets for space tourism. Guys, if you're not familiar with this company, I am going to drop the link to the fun facts video that I did on Virgin Galactic. It's really interesting. It has all the Virgin Galactic trivia in it. I will drop the link, but if you want to search for it, you can search back last year. I made a video, okay? And it talks about a lot of the trivia facts about Virgin Galactic. They even had somebody eject out of one of the rockets at one point, and they survived. So really, really interesting fun facts in that video. You want to go back and watch that video. Anyway, they announced that they're going to be opening up tickets for the space tourism. Now, as you know, the tickets are very, very, very expensive. Let's have a looky-loo over at their website. Now, guys, of course, they will eventually be bringing this ticket price down. But at this time, I believe the ticket cost about $450,000, guys. So unless you win a contest on a radio show or, you're a rich family, you're not going to be able to afford it at this time. But I believe eventually, since they are the first and the only at the moment, I believe eventually they will bring that ticket price down and you will be able to take a ride into space. They will take you on a rocket ship. You basically just break the surface of the atmosphere and space barrier there. You go just far enough to where when you get out of your seat, you're floating around, right? And you can look down at Earth. It's amazing. It doesn't take much. As soon as you're in space, trust me, you'll know. You get all those G-forces. It's a really exhilarating ride. It's very exciting. And a lot of people are interested in it. So I think they will fill up. I think they will fill up the seats, and I think they'll do very well. A lot of people. This is a dream for them to do something to this effect, right? Professor Stephen Hawking says taking more and more passengers to space will enable them and us to look back outward and back, but with a fresh perspective in both directions. Of course, he was offered a free ticket, but sadly, Stephen Hawking passed away before he was able to take advantage of that ride, but I'm sure he's looking down from heaven. And yeah, so very, very cool. Good stuff. So yes, they're beginning to sell tickets for this space adventure here. It's really neat. If you're not familiar with the company, it's very, very cool, to watch these sort of things. This is Richard Branson here. He's had a lot of dreams. He started Virgin Airlines, of course, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, guys.
Catalytic moment for me. I remember my dad taking me outside onto the village green, and we just looked up at the moon. I really did think that myself and many other young people would one day be able to go into space. I waited and I waited and waited for that opportunity, and it never came. They got me thinking. I went to the registry office and I registered the name Virgin Galactic Airways.
It's a brilliant innovation story. The origins of spaceflight at the time, it was big government. The X Prize was a chance to turn that into a much more personal spaceflight experience.
Spaceship One claimed the X Prize, proved the dream was possible. This was the first private.
So guys, I could go on and on and on, guys. This is space nerd stuff, but yeah, that is why the stock popped today. And yeah, long term, I think this is one of those high growth stocks that you may be very, very much worth your while to at least have a few of for the potential that it has. Let's look at its all-time stock chart here. This is of course, it's not been out 5 years. It came out around in October of 2019, right? But this will show you all the ups and downs, huge amount of volatility. You can see at its peak, it peaked once around February 5th of 2021 at $54.34 a share. Peaked again June 25th of 2021. I believe that's around the time they did the test flight. Again, up in the 50s. Right now, she's still sitting at a rather reasonable price of $10.97 even after the run-up. Definitely one you want to keep on your watch list, and one that I enjoy sharing with everybody. So yeah, big congrats to anybody that held it. Hey, Big Ben TV, how are you doing, man? Thank you so much for coming in, Big Ben. So yeah, I welcomed everybody, guys. This is not StreamYard, so I can't feature your comment on the screen. How you doing, Shy TV? He has his own channel, talks about the stock market. Yup, big money spent some money today, guys. Big money spent some money. Another one that I have talked about, guys, is SoFi. I'm going to bring that up right now. SoFi, SoFi, which is a financial technology company. It's sort of like a modern bank, but much, much more. It's like a bank in your pocket, right on your phone. You can have access to everything and anything that you would want, and they're looking to expand that to where they do even more. As we know, the Super Bowl was played in SoFi Stadium, so it got a little bit of exposure for that. If we look on the week, if you're on Robinhood, another reason I love it, you can click on the week and just kind of get an idea how it did for the week. It's green, up 1.05 on the week, but on the day, today, and particularly, really nice move, up 4.83%. Anytime a stock is up 2% or more, I think it's great. If a stock's up 4, 5, 10%, wow, even better. Amazing, right, guys? We love to see these moves, and of course, us as retail investors, we cannot move the stock market like this, right, guys? We can't move it. Big money's moving it because they're interested in it. All we can do is ride the wave, guys. Still pretty reasonable if we go out on a 5-year. It's a rather new stock, has not been out for very long. Looks like it came out listed on November 30th of 2020, and it had quite a few peaks and valleys. It peaked up here at 25.14, then again at 22, and then again here at 22. So guys, yeah, on the day it's sitting at 12.55. Still, that's about half of the potential it could possibly have when we start to see these small cap stocks really make those moves that we are looking forward to. A lot of stocks that we got stuck in a year or two ago that we're holding long term, they will have their moment to shine, and this will be one of them, SoFi. So that's just another, I want to revisit it because stocks that I mention, I do so because I feel pretty confident about it, because I know some people may listen to me, may even decide to to take some of the trades that I mentioned. So I want to revisit it and show you that yes, it did well today. So yeah, so congrats to anybody that had some SoFi, guys. There's there's quite a few that did good today, guys. There's quite a few. Uh, a lot of the Russell, as you know, the Russell 200, a lot of stocks in there got beat up pretty hard in the past year, but they will be starting to move up again. So if you have one that happened to be your favorite, you may want to check it out. Another one I want to talk about is Peloton, and I'm going to tell you why. Peloton, P-T-O-N. I'm going to tell you why, guys. And I hear a lot of people saying thumbs down on Peloton. Peloton's going to go out of business. Kerry from Best of Us Investors, I respect him. He's a retired financial advisor in his 70s, has seen a lot of the ups and downs in the market throughout his career, and he actually named Peloton specifically as one that's going to go out of business. I think he's wrong in a big way. I'll tell you why. We have the metaverse coming up, guys. This is how you have to think outside the box. Everybody's looking at Peloton saying, oh, they made a lot of bicycles. The bicycles are sitting in warehouses. Nobody's buying them. Nobody wants them. I tell you what, we have this thing called the metaverse that's coming, guys. The metaverse is coming where you will put on the virtual reality goggles and you will feel like you are in a place and time with your friends. If you want to go bicycling with your friends in the metaverse, what are you going to sit on? What are you going to pedal? Are you going to sit on a cardboard box? Or are you going to sit on your Peloton? Something to think about. Just my perspective on it, guys. Of course, you're going to need something to pedal, right? Or you're not going to feel like you're bicycling with your friends in the metaverse if you're sitting on a cardboard box. Right, guys? You can't just sit there and pretend like you're pedaling. It's not going to feel real. So you're going to need something, right? I think this is where Peloton is trying to go. They will go there. Guys, don't get caught up in the here and now. You have to think about the future and what they could do and what Peloton can do. Now, I could be totally wrong, and that's why I say, please don't make investment decisions on what I do or what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is, I think this could be a sleeping giant, and I think a lot of people are getting caught up with the news that, oh, they stopped making their bicycles. I believe they will be making something in the near future. It may not be the exact same thing they made today, but I believe there will be a market for this in the metaverse because I think the workout realm will be huge in the metaverse, guys, where you can do a workout class from home and you feel like you're with your friends, and people that will have this technology will be able to assemble and do these sort of things. Not sure how you guys feel about it, but you can definitely look back and say, yeah, Nora, the Stock Explorer, told me don't sleep on Peloton. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there, guys. So yeah, I don't think this is a dead dinosaur. And I think a lot of people are wrong because they are not thinking outside the box with this one. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So yeah, hey Yarny, what's going on? Yarn Barf, thank you so much for joining me. Wouldn't that be cool, Dixie? I think that would be pretty awesome. I mean, anybody that's worn the VR headsets knows that's a completely immersive experience. You really do feel like you are where you're looking. You really do sort of step into another dimension. So imagine fitness. Imagine how fitness could be in the metaverse, and then you can kind of start to see the players that might be throwing their hat in the ring as far as being a big part of that. And I think Peloton will be one. But of course, my speculation and my opinion. Leroy says, I think Peloton is too high end. I do the same with a bike that's a fraction of the cost. Well, that's a good point. That's a good point. I agree. It is kind of on the high end for a lot of people, but I think Peloton may come out with something um, more friendly to different budget levels. I think they will do that. And I think that's why they stopped making the ones that they're making now, because they are very niche and very sort of, um, focused on that high-end consumer. Now, if they get bought up by Amazon, which is interested in buying them, or Nike, I could see them making new products that may be more friendly towards a lower budget level, right? So we will see. It will be interesting to watch that for sure. Of course, I have to bring up Tesla, my Tesla, because it is one of the favorite stocks that I like to talk about. Good old Tesla, my Tesla. How did she do today? Wow, nice mover on the day. Tesla's up to 9.20 and 3 cents, up 5.33% on the day. So Tesla took a nice little move. All right. Good for people with Tesla. I know a lot of people thought Tesla was going to slip under the support and start heading back down to 800, maybe even less, maybe even to the 700s. But it looks like she had a great day and she's holding nice and steady up there above that $900 price point, which I like to see that. So go Tesla. All right, we got the Gathering Within. What's up? What's up? What's up? Thank you for joining me, the Gathering Within. Guys, if you like meditation, check out her channel. She's got a lot of guided meditations over there that are really beautiful, well done. She has a gorgeous voice, really relaxing. If you want to take some time out and do a little meditation, check out my friend, The Gathering Within. So yeah, and she has connected with a few of my friends, and she's very, very helpful when I do my live streams. So thank you, The Gathering Within. And another shout out to my friend Kevin K from Tuber Chat. I missed his Valentine's Day Tuber Chat live stream because I was busy taking a tour. This is cool, guys. I'm gonna bring this up as a matter of fact. I was taking a tour of Siemens Gamesa, okay, and you're gonna be like, well, what the heck is that? Well, that is Siemens, and I'll tell you what they do. And I went on a tour with my classmates. We got to go on one company tour, and this is probably one of the coolest places they could have taken us, guys. Holy smoke. One of the coolest places. Siemens has Siemens Energy. It's just part of their company, okay? Siemens actually did good today. It's up on the day. It had a nice pop, up 3.47 on the day, guys. If you've not heard of this company, it's based out of Bavaria, Munich, over in Germany, right, guys? Siemens AG engages in the production and supply of systems for power generation, power transmission, and medical diagnosis. It operates through the following segments: power and gas, energy management, building technologies, mobility, digital factory, process industries and drive, Siemens healthcare, and financial services. It's very, very diversified company. Okay, if we look over the 5-year time frame, we can see Siemens is up 26% on the last 5 years. Of course, I'm sure this is when the Rona hit. Everybody kind of dipped, but it recovered really, really nicely. And it's just been sort of going upward since then. One for the watch list. Great company, guys. But anyway, back to the tour I took. There's a school in Orlando, Florida, which teaches people how to fix wind turbines that are made by Siemens Gamesa, okay? This is fantastic, guys. I have photos. I will do a separate video on this because this was just so cool. You walk into the facility. It's a fantastic new facility, guys. And inside they have these giant wind turbines with of course, that have the three propellers that go around and around. You see them out on the wind farms, right? You see them out in the middle of America where it's really windy. You see them in a lot of places like Illinois. You see them in the Dakotas. You see them even on the western side of Pennsylvania. You don't see them in Florida because we don't get enough wind, oddly enough, even off the coast. You think we would, but we don't. So somebody's got to go out there and they've got to climb these huge structures, get to the top where all the goody stuff is in the middle there, climb inside and fix them. And they showed us how they do that. And it was really neat. And I even got to climb inside of one. When you get to the top, it's called a nacelle, and the hatch opens, and you go inside. It's kind of a small area to work in, but also a lot more room than you would think. And people climb up these every single day. There's people up there climbing them. If you're afraid of heights, it's not the job for you. So during the tour, we climbed up the steps. We didn't climb inside of one, of course, but they just have the very top of it where all the hydraulic engine and all of that is, and we got to see all the components inside. They didn't let us take pictures of the inside, of course, due to that being their trade secrets, but man, that was cool. And I could send you guys pictures if you're interested, but they took the wings off, and the wings are massive. They're absolutely massive. You could actually climb into the larger end of the wing itself. It's made out of hardened fiberglass. It's really, really cool, guys. So I got to check that out, and this is the company that makes it, Siemens. This is neat. So this is one. They're going to be making more wind farms in America, a lot more wind farms. This is clean energy, of course. Big oil is not happy about this because, this could replace big oil or a big part of it, right? Because these harness the power of the wind, goes into this big turbine. The turbine converts that into electricity, and then it sends the electricity down, and then it gets stored. And then, of course, they can tap into that energy grid to use that stored electricity, right? So, depending where you are in the country, some people are not a big fan of it, but it is the future, and you will start seeing a lot more of these things pop up. And this is the company that makes them, Siemens, guys. You want to check this out. This company is very, very well diversified. They're in the healthcare industry, they're in the energy industry, and much, much more. A fascinating company to research if you're a stock nerd and you like to learn more about what companies do. A very, very cool company for the watch list. I foresee in the next few years, I see them being a slow and steady mover, and so cool one, another cool one for the watch list. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. Just wanted to come on and say, what's new, what's going on with me. Guys, don't be scared to get into some of these positions. If you're not in it, you can't take advantage of these amazing green days that happen, and they kind of come out of nowhere. Monday was kind of red, right, guys? And we were like, oh, here we go again. How much lower can we go? How much can we get beaten up? And then you get to Tuesday, and it's like, wow, okay, totally different vibe, totally different kind of a day. Big Money was in a good mood today, guys, I guess. And they showed a lot of our favorite stocks a little bit of love. I want to give a shout out to everybody that joins me in my weekend live streams. It's a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining me. Keep an eye on the short videos that I make. Sometimes I do a little quick call out, and those are ones that you may want to put on your watch list. Guys, okay, guys. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you for chatting with me, guys. Have a great afternoon, and I will see you guys.